Table show the regulatory requirement for repeated dose toxicity studies by different regulatory authorities like Indian, European, USA and Japan. So ultimate aim of animal toxicity safety studies and why we are doing the animal toxicity or safety studies. So after safety studies to find out no adverse effect level OAEL. Threshold toxic studies TTD, the lowest dose that produces the minimal ADE or ADR. Maximal permissible dose that is MTD and minimum lethal dose that is the MLD or LD10. So here we are going to describe one by one. No adverse effect level that is NOAEL dose. Highest dose level that does not produce a significant increase in adverse effects in comparison to the control group, where adverse effect or AE are effects that are biological significant. No adverse effect level does not equal to no adverse effect level refers to any effect values identified for each species tested, at least 3 species, one of which in non-rodent. Human equivalent dose. Human equivalent dose is calculated by conversion based on body surface area. Convert all no adverse effect level dose to human equivalent dose based on milligram per meter square. There is a 1:1 relation between the species when body surface area is normalized. So LD50, what is the lethal dose? 50, a dose that is the lethal to 50% of the animal population. Lethal dose is usually determined in a 24-hour test in animals. Analogous to ethical dose in pharmacology, always a quantal response, at least 2 animal species, rodent and non-rodent, at least 2 routes of administration, at least 3 to 4 dose level. Each group of animals gets a different specific dose. It's not necessary that each group or each age of animal get a action of same. So it's differ. Mortality is assessed in each group usually at 24 hours. Log dose versus the response curve is plotted on graph paper. 50% response data extrapolated. Response can be converted to probabilities. In testing,